Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys, I am going to show you guys how can you remove your fingerprint lock in your Realme phone. Guys, you want to remove guys your fingerprint lock, so guys you can remove. And guys, now let's see how to remove it. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to remove it. Then guys scroll. Guys, you can see guys password and security. So guys tap here. Fingerprint setting guys, tap here and guys draw your pattern. So guys, you want to remove guys your second fingerprint, and guys you want to keep your first fingerprint. So guys, how can you do it? So guys, I want to remove guys only second fingerprint. Guys, I want to keep my first fingerprint. So guys, you can see this three dot front or like the right side guys, two fingerprints, fingerprint two setting. Then guys, you can see rename and delete. So guys, you want to rename and delete. Yes, you want to delete means remove. And guys, I want to set guys only one fingerprint means guys I want to keep my one fingerprint. So as you can see guys, if I open my phone, so it will not work, and guys I can open my phone with this thumb. So I hope friends you have understood how to remove second fingerprint lock, and guys you want to keep your first fingerprint, so as you can keep it. So I hope friends you have understood how to remove second fingerprint. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.